magical crystal.
The way you fell from the sky, I thought maybe you were an angel or something.
Thank you for saving me.
A boy with an irresistible dream.
Beyond that cloud is a floating city that no one here on Earth believes exists.
An island that floats in the sky?
Yep.
Together, they found the courage
Are you sure you want to do this?
I swear, I am going to be the one to prove it.
to take off on an unforgettable adventure.
There it is! Look!
Wow.
Hansu, look there!
Now, with the help of some high-flying friends,
Will you let us sail with you and the boys?
All right, let's show us the goal of Pirate Day is bigger!
Sheeta and Patsu are battling the forces of evil.
They left that crystal!
The power
Well, looks like we caught a little pirate.
and protecting the secrets
Bring the crystal to life and you too will be free.
of the castle in the sky.
It's the sacred light. Tell me the spell.
You will never possess the crystal.
Ready for what might happen?
From Buena Vista Home Entertainment and Hayao Miyazaki,
Cheetah!
featuring the voices of Dawson's Creek's James Vanderbeek as Patsu
Cheetah means everything to me.
and Academy Award winner Anna Paquin as Sheeta.
Are you all right? Good luck, Hansu.
Here we go.
No, Hansu, hurry!
Castle in the Sky. Coming soon, only to video. It's never been seen before, but now it's heading your way.
There's something bad behind me, isn't there?
Disney presents the first duck movie ever.
Wow!
An all-new full-length movie coming only to video.
It's going to be big, 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 big.
Doug Funny, Patty Mayonnaise, Roger Klotz, and Skeeter Valentine, as all your favorite characters make their movie debut. Now you can finally discover the shocking truth about what lives in Lucky Duck Lake. Our people have located monster tracks coming toward town, and find out if Patty will finally fall for Doug.
Can we meet, later?
All the answers are revealed. Only in this all-new movie event. Freeze! What the? Disney presents the first duck movie ever. Premiering only on video fall 1999. And now, our feature presentation.